Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and don't miss out on this one. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got chicken, right? And this chicken been marinating for 24 hours in seasoning. Alright, we're going to get into that, but I'm going to be showing you guys, that's right, roll it, how to make restaurant quality fried chicken. You've been making it the wrong way this whole time. Alright? Alright, now this is the chicken. Let me tell you what's all in this chicken. I have some Zeteran Cajun seasoning. I have some Morton sea salt. I said some sea salt. Morton seasoning salt. I have some black pepper. I have some poultry seasoning. I have some granulated garlic. And I also put some granulated onion powder in it. I ran out of that, that's why I'm not showing it. And I have some paprika. Alright. And I put a teaspoon of each of those in here, okay? Each of all them seasoning in here. And with like a quarter cup of milk, alright? And I marinated, moved them around, all that good stuff, and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. Alright, now the cornmeal, not the cornmeal, but the batter or the flour. This flour right here is what you need. This is restaurant quality flour, okay? This is not just no ordinary flour. This is corn flour, okay? It have a tint to it, like a yellowish tint to it. This is what most people use in their restaurant. So I use like 3.5 cups of that in here. And I use like a quarter cup of cornstarch up in there. And this is how that looks. Alright, and I just mix it around and all that good stuff just like so. My chicken has been sitting out for about a good half an hour. You want to make sure your chicken get at least room temperature. When you put it in the grease, it cools down the grease, okay? So, alright, so we just going to go ahead and batter this stuff up. I'm going to just move this around in here. Like so. And if you could smell this, oh my goodness. And once you get through putting all these seasoning in here, you're going to let this chicken sit in here for about a good 5 minutes. We're going to do like 6 pieces at a time. That's where it get wet, it get well coated, okay? That's why I say you've been doing it wrong all this time. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and shake this up. The lid on here. Now you can do it with your hand if you want to. But I'm going to do mine like this. And you will see at the end that this chicken is going to be beautiful and taste super delicious. Let me get some of these thighs. So like some of my thighs came from like a regular like family's owned store. They only deal with like local butchers places and stuff like that, which is good. Okay, let me see. One of these chicken breasts. I'm going to put that in there. And we're going to take this over there to the eye once I get the shaking this up and letting it sit. I'm going to put this on a pan. And we're going to cook this bad boy up. Now you see how well coated, you can't even really see it. See how well coated that is? Alright, that means we're going to have some good crust. Alright guys, put this one in here. And I'll see you guys in about 5 minutes. Well, probably a few seconds. All right, in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. This is my deep fryer, the butter ball. I'm just gonna lower this in here, this basket. Gonna take our chicken after you let it sit in there for about 5 minutes. Pick the chicken. We're gonna let this cook, guys. For just we're gonna let it cook for about 10-15 minutes, okay? See you guys in a minute. Just so you know, this is what I'm having with it. This is some rice-a-roni. Alright. Perfectly cooked. And I'm gonna have some Brussels sprout with cheese with it. Alright. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and take this up because it's floating. And I am cooking in peanut oil. We'll let this drain for a second. Yep. Good old fashioned chicken, man. You guys can see that. Yes, sir. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and drop the rest of them. Take these out. See you guys in a minute. If I didn't tell you, this is at 350. Alright, last one. Alright guys, 10 more minutes. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm done with this restaurant quality chicken. As you can see, there it is. I can't even pick it up. It's really heavy, man. Alright, it's really heavy, so excuse me if I can't bring it all the way over there. Alright, that's how that looks. I did make some hush puppies to go with that. You guys can see that. See if I can cover that up. Those are my hush puppies. This right here is my Brussels sprout with some cheese. How to get this thing to focus. There you go. Here's my rice-a-roni. Chicken rice-a-roni. Alright. Alright guys. We'll go ahead and wrap this up. Because your boy is ready to eat. Put my bell right here. And guys, this is how you make restaurant quality fried chicken. Alright? So please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget that's right. Yeah. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. Okay? Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out. Much love.